To another exciting video. In this video I'll be showing you 3 different platforms where you can make money without doing absolutely anything. Now if you love videos like this, just go ahead and smash the subscribe button, like this video, comment, and at the same time go to the description of this video and join our growing community. In our community you get to see videos like this even before they are being posted on YouTube, and you can get to ask questions. You have people that will attend to you in the group anytime you have any question you want to ask. So just go ahead and join our community, subscribe to this channel. So the first platform on the list here is Honeygain. So Honeygain is a platform that pays you just for installing their app on your mobile device. Install their app on your device, allow it to run quietly in the background, and you will be paid for every unused internet that is being gotten from you. You will be paid for it. As you can see, this platform has excellent. It has excellent score on Trustpilot, which shows that it is a very trusted platform, and they are really paying. They are paying. So just go ahead and go to the website and register. Just go ahead and sign up on the platform and install the app, and as simple as ABC, just let it run in your background quietly without doing anything. Just go ahead and go about your daily job, and you are good to go. You are good to go. So this is the first platform. It is moneygain.com. So just go ahead and register on the platform and you are good. So the second one on the list is known as MobileXpression. The next platform on the list is known as MobileXpression. So MobileXpression is also another very good market research platform. Is a market research platform that pay you to have the application running on your device. It pays you to have the application running on your device. They pay you for the activities, for your browsing activities. They also pay you for app for the apps that you have on your phone, also the app usage on your phone. So they pay you for all this. So all you just need to do is to register on the platform. So when you register on the platform, install the app and do the necessary configuration and let it run in the background, and you will be paid for this. You'll be paid for this. It's as simple as that. Just leave it running in the background of your phone, of your device, and get paid as simple as ABCD. So you just go ahead, join the platform, register on the platform, and at the same time do the necessary configuration, let it run in the background, and you will get paid. So it's as simple as that. So on this MobileXpression, I will be dropping another special video on this platform where I will be showing you how to configure. I'll be showing you how to configure this particular app, the app, just to make it easy for you. I will be showing you how to configure the app. I'll be taking on a step-by-step guide on how to configure this particular app, and so that it will be very easy for you to go about it. So just go ahead and join my community, join our moving community. Go ahead, go to the description of this video. You will see the link to our community. Just go ahead, join the community, and you are good to go. So most of the informations in our community might not be found here. Most of them will be in our most of them are being shared over there in our community. So you'll be getting first-hand information in the community even before it is being posted on YouTube. So just go ahead and join the community. So the next on the list is Repocket. So this is the third platform on the list. So Repocket is the third on the list. Now this platform also is more or less more extensive than the first two which I've shown you. Now apart from installing an app in the background, apart from being paid for installing an app in the background that runs in the background, now this platform also pay you for doing micro tags. This platform pays you for doing micro tags, like posting on a social, like doing a social post, sharing your data, and also doing micro tags also. So this platform also is more extensive compared to the other platform. So this one, there are other things you can do. You can install apps, you can play games, you can they can tell you to go to a Facebook page and go ahead and like a page, you get paid for it. They tell you to go to a YouTube channel, to go ahead, subscribe to that channel, and you get paid for it. So this platform is much more extensive than the first two. And mind you, all the platform I talked about, you are paid either via PayPal or via gift card. They pay you either via PayPal or you can cash out through gift card. So it's as simple as that. So the third on the list is Repocket.com. Repocket.com. So the other previous one which I talked about, the website is MobileXpression.com. So I'm going to try as much as possible to leave the link to this website on the description so that to make it easy for you to be able to register. So just go ahead and sign up on this platform. Sign up and start engaging and start getting paid for every of the tasks you perform on this platform. So if you love things like this, if you love content like this, just go ahead and join our community. Subscribe to this platform, like this platform, so that YouTube algorithm can continue to share our video to other people who are interested in content like this. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching.